Imagine diving into the world of real estate without ever having to set foot in your target market. Sounds enticing, right? Welcome to virtual wholesaling, a game-changing approach that allows investors like you to navigate multiple markets with ease. But before you jump in, it's crucial to understand both the golden opportunities and the lurking risks that come with this innovative strategy. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes and in all conditions. Let's break down the pros and cons of virtual wholesaling so you can make informed decisions and maximize your potential. Number 1, geographical flexibility. You can operate beyond your local market and tap into opportunities across the country. This flexibility allows you to diversify your investments and reduces reliance on any single market. Think about it. If property values are soaring in Texas, you can seize the moment from your home in New York. With digital tools at your disposal, researching property values and market trends becomes a breeze, empowering you to make strategic moves without the need for travel. Number 2, reduced operational expenses. Technology has transformed the way you can manage deals and communicate with clients. You no longer need a physical office, which means no rent and fewer overhead costs. Tools like Zoom and DocuSign simplify meetings and paperwork, allowing you to save money on supplies and travel. Imagine cutting down your monthly expenses significantly, from office costs to marketing, while focusing on what truly matters, finding great deals. Number 3, potential for high profits. Virtual wholesaling opens doors to high-demand markets where profit margins are more favorable. You can scale your business efficiently and take advantage of fluctuating property prices without being tied down to one location. By leveraging data analytics, you can identify profitable opportunities that may have slipped under the radar, enhancing your chances of success. Number 4, bypassing property maintenance. One of the perks of virtual wholesaling is avoiding direct involvement in property upkeep. This means less financial risk and complexity for you. However, it's essential to have a reliable network of local professionals who can assess property conditions accurately. Working with trusted inspectors or real estate agents ensures that you receive thorough evaluations without needing to be physically present. Number 5, property scams risk. The online nature of virtual wholesaling exposes you to potential fraud. It's vital to conduct thorough due diligence to avoid falling victim to scams. Establish a robust verification process that includes checking property records and conducting virtual tours to safeguard your investments. Number 6, reliance on an online network. Building a strong online presence is key to your success in virtual wholesaling. Engaging with buyers, sellers, and real estate professionals in online forums helps establish trust and credibility. Remember, transparent communication and delivering on promises can significantly enhance your reputation, leading to more opportunities down the line. Number 7, market misunderstanding. Operating in diverse markets can lead to challenges in understanding local regulations and buyer behaviors. Each market has unique dynamics that impact transactions. Conduct comprehensive research and partner with local experts to ensure your strategies align with regional demands. Now that we've explored the advantages and disadvantages of virtual wholesaling, be aware, navigating this dynamic landscape requires vigilance. The potential rewards are immense, but so are the challenges. Be prepared to tackle property scams head-on and rely on diligent research for success. If you're interested in diving deeper into this exciting field, visit GrowthSense.com. Our platform offers invaluable resources for virtual wholesalers looking to find distressed properties and connect with buyers efficiently. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your real estate game.